Welcome, welcome. Hope everyone's having a good day. Live stream is kicking in. Um, yeah, man, we're just waiting for some of these trades to play out. You know, if you're in the group, you know that we're in euro dollar right now, shorts. We've been in this for a week now, man, almost a week. I'm just waiting for this to break down, man. Like, we caught the buys over here. It was crazy, man. We got out like somewhere here, I think. And now we're just catching the shorts because I think we're gonna break down and go below to this section, back to this support here. Problem is, how long is it gonna take? I don't know. I don't know how long things are gonna take, but we're in that short. We're also in pound dollar shorts right now. I'm waiting for this, just waiting for this to go down. I think we ended it over here actually. It's down here. Get this right. I kind of moved this by accident the other day. But yeah, I'm in a couple of shorts for this pair right here, and you know, I'm just waiting for it to go down. What's going on in the 15-minute candle? We're rejecting this area. Now this is one of my algorithmic levels that I'm kind of been waiting for. It got hit, but I don't know, man. This doesn't seem like the high, but it could be the high, and I kind of hope it is the high because I've got big targets for this, you know. If this goes down, I can also pass one of my FTMO challenges. Um, yeah, I'm just waiting, man. I'm waiting. Gold's rangy but bearish, you know. Um, yeah, I'm not looking to do anything yet, you know. It's a short from here, but you know, we got this consolidation over here, which I think, and there's a gap over here, so it's very likely to go back down here. Problem is, like, is it good to sell a support? Never. That's like one of my rules. I just don't sell supports, you know. Um, so, so yeah, I just don't sell supports. So I ain't gonna sell that. What else? Oil just bearish, fundamentally bearish. What does technically look like? This looks like it's probably gonna go lower as well. It's probably gonna go below 50. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's bearish on oil, man. You know, fundamentals. You know, I don't really trade fundamentals, but recently, man, it's the fundamentals are fundamentaling. You know, yeah. Swiss yen, just rangy pair. Not really trading that pair. Platinum, not really trading that. I don't know why I have platinum on my list here. You know what? Let me have a quick look scan on this, man. Let's see. Platinum looks a bit low key, a bit bullish. I wouldn't buy it here. Not gonna lie, you could sell it here with a tight stop, aim for the bottom of the range. It's possible. Or something like platinum. Have a look at silver quickly. Silver looks bullish as well. Let me have a look at the general. Yeah, silver's holding. You never know though. We're at levels right now where I think things could retrace, like with gold especially. Like this looks like a sell from here, man. I'm just not touching it because like I don't know, man. I'm not really into just selling this right now. I've got one of my other accounts that's actually in gold. I've got an account where I kind of like take longer term trades, and my positions are all the way here. So I'm actually waiting for this gold to come back to one of my positions. Imagine this went up all the way, and because I didn't use a stop loss, I'm still in this position, and my entry's here. So I need to get back to here so I can finally get out and make money, man. Um, yeah, this could be the entry on gold. Might have missed it, but it's okay. Oh, nice, nice. This is what we're looking for. Okay, finally, we're getting this push on the dollar, man. Um, finally getting this push on the dollar. That's exactly what I'm looking for. This is exactly for my levels as well. So this is probably the high of the day on. Actually, I need to make a trading view post on this. But yeah, This is like my expertise, guys. Like I love catching the high of the day. Um, yeah, I love catching the high of the day on this kind of stuff. So yeah, that's what I like to do. You know, it's my strategy. I like catching high and lows of the day, high and lows of the week, high and lows of the month. And that's how I make money. That's how I send signals, and everyone's be making money. Everybody's be making money. It's a good day, man, when everyone makes money, you know. But yeah, everyone's been making money. Hopefully that is the high of the day. I'm not 100% sure it is, but we'll see. We'll see. See, the 1 hour doesn't look that bearish. Let me make this a bit more clean. Oh, actually, no. The reason I have this is because of signals I've given you guys. Hmm. See, the dollar is strong, but the pound is so strong. We're just getting a rangy day on this pound dollar. Interesting. Very interesting stuff. Hmm. Yeah, I'm kind of confident this is bearish, but what might happen, guys, is because where's my drawing? We may get something like this and this and then this. Something like that could happen. That's one situation, or the next situation is it just goes up like that, like that, like that, and then back down. So yeah, we could be in a situation where this is the head and this is like the middle and that's the shoulder here. So this is the shoulder and this is, you know, the head, and that's another shoulder. You know, we could be in a situation like that. That is possible. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, that is possible. Um, Even though I don't trade that pattern that much, but the reason those patterns exist is because the trades do look like that eventually. But yeah, euro dollar though, we're up. Since we took this, we're still up about 50 pips, so it's not bad, you know. 50 pips on euro dollar right now. We're aiming for like, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm trying to aim for like 280 pips on this trade. A lot of people are gonna make money on this. See, this is the thing with gold. Was this the entry on the short? Did we just miss it? Because I think we just missed it. I'm not gonna lie. That's the problem, man. It's either you take it or not, man. Just don't like how messy it is, you know. But it's bearish, so I can't lie. It does look bearish. It does look bearish. I'll see, man. I'm waiting for this pound dollar to go down. Taking a sweet ass time. I literally got an entry right here. One of my entries. It's crazy. happens. But yeah, man, if anybody here that is watching wants me to look at their chart, something like that, I'm more than happy to look at it, you know. Yeah, I'm more than happy to look at it, give you guys some information. Um, you know, giving everybody free information right now while I'm streaming. You know, I'm trying to get into this in daily habit. Wow, man, imagine if that is the high of the day. It's funny. I would like overload this trade, but like I'm already like in this, if that makes sense. Like I don't need to overload this. I've already gotten a good entry, so I don't need to increase my risk. You know, that's another thing. You know, I've been getting better at myself personally is the actual risk management. You know, you can be an amazing trader, but you know, there's always room for improvement. You know, and you know, even when you become profitable and everything like that, guys, like don't get it twisted. Your psychology can still be affected. Your risk management can still be affected. Those things always need improvement. Um, because you want their trading to be efficient, you know, in my opinion. So yeah, man. Always improving, you know. That's what it's all about, guys. You know, trading is a learning game. But yeah, we've been killing it though recently. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think last week we sent like loads of trades, like hella trades, and oh, gold's at my level. Interesting. And I think we only got two wrong, and the rest were good. Like we made hella money last week, hella pips. This is one place I would short gold right here. Hmm. Euro dollars in profit. I'm gonna look at gold right now. So now I'm gonna analyze gold on my other chart, and I'm gonna think, should I short it? Because right now it should be the entry 39.94 to 20, sorry, 3294, 3295 could be the entry for the short. I ain't gonna touch it because I'm low key a bit like gold's just scary, man. I can't lie to you guys. Like gold is just scary these days. Yeah, it's a bit low right now, so I don't want to short it right now, to be honest. I don't even want to play with gold. I really don't want to play with gold. Um, yeah, I don't want to play with gold. But you know, this is the thing: risk management, guys. We got this trade that's doing really well. I don't want to sacrifice my profits from the euro dollar trade, and euro dollar could go wrong. You know, like it's still doing no good now. It's up 50 pips, but what if this just goes back to break even and then I enter a gold trade and it goes wrong? It's not worth it right now. My position specifically, you know. I can tell you guys to take the trade if you guys want. Like it's a gold short right now, like I told you, 32.94. It's rejecting right now, as you guys can see. Um, I can tell you guys to enter this trade, but I don't know, man. I don't think it's an amazing trade either for me to just start giving away to people, you know. I want people to make money if I'm gonna send them a good signal. So yeah, just waiting, man. Just waiting for this pound dollar to be honest. It's rangy, but give it some time, and I think things are gonna start speeding up. I'm just looking for anything else that's like a good trade right now. Hey there, Snow and Roar. How you doing, mate? Are you coming from the Telegram or are you coming from YouTube? Welcome, welcome, welcome to the channel. Are you new here? Okay, yo. See, gold, nice rejection. This was maybe the entry. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, that might have been the entry on gold. Um, that might have been the short, you know. You guys are seeing me calling it out right now on live. That might have been the entry. I didn't take it because I was too scared to take it. But if you took it, then you took it, you know. Yeah, it's a nice rejection on gold. I should have took it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I low-key regret not taking that. Nah, I'm just seeing a reject right now. I just called it as well. That's my level I was looking at. Yeah, that was the level. I should have probably taken that, man. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Should have probably taken that. It's okay though. It's alright, guys. Just like let me know if you guys have any questions or whatever, man. Um, yeah. Also, I'm gonna be labeling this chart over here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna be labeling this chart because I think we are in a. Hold on. Gonna show you some analysis right now. Oh, this is called a bear flag. There's liquidity right here, guys. So where I'm labeling, I'm gonna label this liquidity. If I spelled that right. You notice how I trade my trades. Liquidity here. Show you guys some source. Oh, actually, you know what? Let me make it more clear. We're already in this short, guys. By the way, I've already sent a signal last week. I'm still in this short, so you guys can join me if you guys want. If you're not in it, this is a good entry actually right now. Just labeling this chart for you guys. trading this pair. Arrow marker. Something like this we're looking for. Yeah, something like this. I think something like this makes sense. Yeah, I'm gonna publish that, guys. I'm gonna publish that for you guys. Publish idea on TradingView. I still think. By the way, guys, let me know if you guys have any questions and stuff. I'm gonna be spitting a lot of knowledge today, so yeah. Well, yeah, we was right good now. You guys still think we are going to be pulling back down? However, back down. All right, let's see what's going on with euro dollar. Bro, this is just consolidation. Oi, look at this, man. Look at this. This is the entry, man. This, you see this? Look at all this liquidity taken out over here. That definitely looks like the entry to short this, man. I'm not gonna do it, but because I'm in 2 trades right now, but yeah. What the fuck? Sorry guys, I'm just making a thing, making that chart for you guys. 1 second, sorry man. Dollar, GBP, cable. Yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Publish idea. Alright, let's go. Sorry guys, I'm back. What's everyone saying, man? Yeah, man. Alright, so we're just waiting for this. Wow, this gold looks bearish right now. This looks like it's gonna break. You see this wick over here? This is a common thing I've seen. So when you're bearish, okay, you look for these kind of wicks. You know, the wicks that are strong, that were big green candles and they wick down. And you also look at where the liquidity is. And as you can see, this took out this liquidity here, and it touched upon this. Now this is most likely gonna break this low right now. So I can send a signal. It's not a safe signal though. That's the problem. Like, where's your stop loss gonna be? 200 pip stop loss, but then you can get like a 800 pip gain. It's not bad actually. Not gonna lie, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I'm just trying to think, how much would I risk on this? $200. Risk $200 could make. It's not a bad risk. I can't lie to you guys. It's not a bad risk. This is not a bad risk on gold to take right now. A bit of a pussy right now. I'm not gonna lie, but this is not a bad. It's just a time, guys. So I look for the time of the day. There might be a better entry if I be patient. It might do this, and then go down. There might be a better entry. It's not bad, not bad. I'm gonna wait. It does look like a short, but I am gonna wait. I don't trust the market right now. See, I don't trust these pullbacks right now. What if the dollar is, yeah. I don't know what the hell is up with the pound though. The pound is pounding today. Yeah, the pound is just strong, like all across the board right now. Yeah, the pound is just strong across the board. You know, we're in shorts, so we're waiting for those shorts to play out, but it's strong right now. These euros going down at least. I should have shorted euro with 10 lots, not flipping pound dollar, man. Wait for this pound dollar to go down. Okay, this is looking good. Alright, man. Just waiting to see what's gonna happen. Ah.
Put this one together and share some wisdom with you because
Yeah, we're just getting consolidation, man. Nothing happening. It's kind of funny. I'm seeing other people right now buying gold, and I'm like, it's a bit risky, man. They've been getting stopped out as well. It's risky right now to trade gold, in my opinion, man. So, yeah. Well, I'm just glad I'm in this pound dollar right now. Gold, I'm not sure about, man. I'm not sure about. Let's see what the news is saying.
It's driven by exactly what you brought up, softer pulse.
That was what a lot of people think the
Euro
ultimate
dollar.
check will be at a
If we
time
break
where it
this
has
low-
not been the stock market. Occasionally it's a market, and it's
Guys, if we break this low on the euro dollar,
when it comes to
we're going up on the
people
dollar.
on the other
We're
side
going
of the
up on the
aisle.
dollar,
The stock
man.
market softer this morning. We're down by 0.2%.
So,
1%. Up next,
you know,
Mark McCormick of TD.
we should be good.
On election day in Canada.
Yeah, I forgot it's election day in Canada today, isn't it? I'm just listening to Bloomberg right now. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Bloomberg. 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 Gold. Don't buy it. Don't buy gold. I'm telling you guys, don't buy gold. It's dangerous to buy gold right now. Don't buy it. Short the pound. Short the euro.
No, you could do it. We are here in New York.
Okay.
We own
Now with Bloomberg surveillance. Up next.
High. There's music in the
That anything even close to the tariffs as announced on Liberation Day are going to stick. In other words, how many of the analysts, how much of the ranges and the outlooks that companies are coming up with are basically expecting to go back to something like that 10% baseline, as well as some sectoral tariffs?
Well, so I would say the amount of companies that are going back to April 2nd is like kind of few and far between. And again, those are like kind of gems to us in terms of the opportunity set. But what you are getting is you're getting some idea of like what it's going to cost from a tariff perspective from companies. And this is across the board. Like pharma companies, we've heard from a lot of healthcare companies, and like we haven't even had those sectoral tariffs announced. And they're trying to like figure out how much they're going to have to spend. And so we're assuming it's based on the current environment, right? Without having to really extrapolate. And so there is like a cost structure around it, and there's obviously a revenue headwind that they're trying to take into account. So wrapping their heads around how they're getting there is like important for us to help us think through the year ahead. But I wouldn't say there was like a ton of companies that took April 2nd and extrapolated, but they're at least incorporating, I think, that 10% universal.
When you think of potential upside to your figures, what would it take? Is it policy? Is it
Yeah, it's policy. I mean, I think the Fed, you know, if you, for like a couple weeks ago and you got asked like what would be the bull, like what would cause the bull case, I think it would have included the Fed and it would have included some policy pivot from the administration. I think a Fed pivot at this point wouldn't necessarily be short-term positive, right? Because it would be because the Fed saw weakness. So I think really the only like bullish outcome is that you see this pivot from the administration, and the market obviously seems to be sniffing that out in terms of what we're seeing from a PE perspective. We're at like close to 20 times again, and again only down 2% since Liberation Day. So there is an element of that, but I do think that that's where the bull case is now.
They're talking a lot about these 18 deals they can get with other trading partners, but when you're talking about a bullish case, you're really talking about one, right? It's China. What do you need to see?
Well, I mean, I think in terms of what the market's probably thinking, it's closer to like 30 to 50% in terms of the effective tariff rate there. I think that would bring down the overall tariff rate, like effective tariff rate for the U.S., something between 10 to 15%, which is like digestible and something that, like if we're thinking about, again, going back into expectations for the beginning of the year, that's probably where it would have been, right? Like 10 to 15, maybe worst case scenario, still a massive increase. In terms of where we were prior, I think at least more than the 25 to 30% that we had on Liberation Day.
This week is going to be chock full of things other than tariff talk, which is going to be exciting for people looking to sink their teeth into something that's more concrete with numbers and that reflect things that have already happened. I wonder how you look at some of the economic data that we're going to be getting. A labor market report that a lot of people preemptively are dismissing as backward-looking and not really important. JOLTS data, ISM manufacturing. How much
messy,
does it
man.
matter to you based on what you just said, which is we are coming from a very different place economically than we were in 2018?
Well, I think it's important, but I think it's also juxtaposed to what's happening in terms, like we're going to be focused mostly on earnings. Like you said, we have 40% of market cap reporting and some of the biggest names, and I think that's going to be like what has been the story for the S&P 500 over the past couple of years is this AI story, which nobody seems to be talking about anymore. So you're getting these like very, you know, high growth, high quality companies at a discount at the moment, obviously aside from what we saw last week, but still trading at a discount. And so that's really where our focus is, right? Because it's part of our bullish thesis is that you continue to see that spend, and that's pervasive through the rest of the market in terms of AI capex. So we're going to get a lot of information there, and I think that's what we're going to be focused on from an equity market standpoint this week, is aside from macro.
The thing that conflicts with that, as you know, is that they are secular growers, but they're also facing an international backdrop which is increasingly fragmented. I'm thinking more like Apple, directly Apple. I'm just going to bring up the name directly. They're facing a big situation in China. They're going to have to spend a lot of money moving supply out of China into places like India. For those kind of companies, how difficult is this moment for them?
Well, look, I think this isn't the first time they've seen this. These tensions have been going on in terms of trade as it relates to particular industries like semiconductors since 2018. It was continued throughout, you know, the past couple of years under the Biden administration as well. So this isn't new news, and obviously a lot of that rerouting had already taken place post 2018. So look, it's not easy, it's still difficult, but they have, you know, their global supply chains, they at least have negotiating power as it relates to, you know, other countries and suppliers. So they at least are coming from a position of strength in that standpoint when I'm talking about these large diversified companies. And so I think it's not easy, but if anyone's going to be able to navigate it, I would think it would be these larger companies.
That one's a must-watch. Apple reporting on Thursday. Abby, good to see you. As always, thanks for being here. Abby Yoder there of JP Morgan. If you are just joining us, welcome. Equity futures down by a little more than 0.25%. Not a big move on the S&P 500. With an update on stories elsewhere, with your Bloomberg Brief, here's Yahara Hecker. Say, Yahara.
Hi, John. Cargo shipments from China to the U.S. have plummeted by as much as 60% since the U.S. raised tariffs on Chinese goods to 145% earlier this month. Still, by mid-May, thousands of companies will need to replenish inventories. Both Walmart and Target told Trump last week that shoppers are likely to see empty shelves and higher prices. Elon Musk's XAI Holdings is in discussions to raise $20 billion. Sources telling Bloomberg the deal would value the company at over $120 billion and could be used to pay down debt from Musk's conversion of Twitter into a private company. If completed, the deal would be the second largest startup funding round of all time, according to PitchBook. And DoorDash is offering to buy UK-based Deliveroo for $3.6 billion. A filing with the London Stock Exchange shows DoorDash proposing a cash offer for Deliveroo shares at $2.40 apiece. DoorDash owns 2/3 of the restaurant delivery market here in the U.S., and a deal would help it expand into the UK and cities in Europe. That's your Bloomberg Brief. John?
Yahara, thank you. More from Yahara later on this hour. Up next on the program, easing the tariff sting.
We're going to cut taxes for the people of this country. It'll take a little while before we do that. I think the tariffs will be enough to cut all of the income tax.
Up next on the program, Henrietta Trays of Vader Partners. Just how aggressive is this timeline for tax cuts in Washington? From New York City this morning, good morning.
Still looking good. If anyone took these trades, by the way, and you're in the group, you can always message me and ask me for updates. Like, I'm really cool with that, man. Yeah.
Asia is at the forefront of some of the world's biggest stories.
And we're here, where the action starts in Sydney.
And in Tokyo, get ahead as the global trading day begins.
The Asia Trade, weekdays only on Bloomberg.
Jumpstart your trading day on Bloomberg Open Interest.
2 hours of single stock stories that are driving the opening bell action.
We'll take you to Wall Street, Main Street, the C-suite, and beyond.
These are companies that are growing their market.
The great companies in the U.S. are the companies hitting the cutting edge. That's a different story.
Get the inside track on what's buzzing.
The figure who is best positioned, in his words, to deal with Donald Trump based on...
Bro, there is nothing going on, man. I'm telling you, right, today might be just a choppy day. I hate to say it, man, but I hope not, but it could be just a choppy day.
Evaluation, guys.
Yeah, it could be just a choppy day today. I mean, I hope not, you know. Just gonna have to wait until the New York session.
Silk scarves drifting in the Mediterranean breeze. Sunlight dances on sculptures beneath olive trees. Vintage wheels whisper tales of a bygone prime. Generations echo through the spoons of time. Crystal glasses clink by the Tuscan hill's edge. Laughter woven with secrets, a timeless pledge. Canvas brushed with colors stolen from the skies. A dynasty thrives where grand ambitions lie. We walk on marble floors, toasting faded days. Whiskey sings of legends, wine pours modern praise. Old money whispers, it never shouts aloud. In the quiet luxury of clouds we vow. Cathedrals bow to the stories etched in stone. Echoes of legacy in churches where we've grown. Threads of time stitched with gold in subtle hue. The past and future kiss where dreams are brewed. A life of summers endless, rooftops kissed by flame. Art that thrives like roses in a family name. Balmy nights at terraces where old stars align. Facing a future bathed in aged moonshine. We walk on marble floors, faded days.
Embrace whispers of wine and time's sweet pace. Oh, the breeze tells tales of summer's kiss, of seaside haunts and love's abyss. Under moonlit skies, hearts intertwine in an old Italian summer ever divine. The olive tree.
to get a confirmation of this trade. I'm gonna wait for the confirmation. I might miss it, but confirmation's better. Now the price is better for us to short. Let's just wait. We're not keeping an eye on gold. Guys, we're just rangy, man. That's all I can say is it's a rangy market today. I'm looking for some trades to give you guys. We are in euro dollar and pound dollar, you know, euro dollar's in profit, pound dollar is a bit in a small drawdown, not that big. Yeah, 17 pips drawdown, euro dollar's in a 50 pips profit. It's just a rangy market, man. I'm trying to look for gold shorts today, but again, rangy market. You know, this looks like a short around this level right now, gold, but I'm gonna wait. I just don't want to see it go up all the way here and then we're fucked. I think it's just not a bad short right now. It's gold. Let me give me a second. It's gold. Alright, it's low-key a valid short right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Yeah, it's low-key a valid short, so I can take a small short on this. Just trying to think how much. It's a good level to short trade. It's a good level to take it at. That's what I've got to say. It's a good entry, you know. Yeah, I like the entry on this. And the risk to reward is amazing. You know, if this goes well, I can make maybe, yeah. I mean, I thought they'd want to put their stop losses somewhere up here, I think. But I'm gonna manage the risk on this one, and I'm gonna show you guys how I trade. So I sent you guys a signal right now on Telegram for this. Yeah, I sent you guys a signal for gold sells. What's up? ASAP Tobes in the house. ASAP Tobes in the house. I like Doom. How you doing, mate? How you doing? Yeah, so I just took a gold sell here, man. I still like the pound sells and the euro dollar sells more. I'm still waiting on these trades. I know you're in them. Pound dollar is just being weird. I think this high might break actually. Gold sell, bro, just here, just now, man. I like what this is doing here. If gold's gonna go down today, this is a good entry right now, where I just took it from. It's tempting, to be honest, to add more to this. But yeah, I took a small risk on this. Not a big risk, but I took a small risk on this gold. I'm not really 100% sure about it, but good level to take it if you're trying to short it. Like, it's a very good level right here. So yeah, man. It's good, it's good. But yeah, just waiting, man. The market is a bit choppy right now, you know. The market is a bit choppy, but you know, it's gonna wait, man. Gonna wait. It's a choppy market. Waiting for like some trades. The only thing I saw that was okay, it's decent, is gold. Gold might do a big dump today, so you know, this is the time to get in right now. So yeah, I took a small position. I should probably take something bigger. I'm kind of tempted to take something bigger because the money I could make could be a lot. You know, we're also in pound dollar and euro dollar, so you know, man, like, you know, we got potential. If the dollar goes up today, we can have an amazing day. Like, if the dollar goes up today, like, I might be doing a giveaway. You know, when I win, you guys gotta win with me. So you get me. So we'll see, man. I'm just not. It's a bit techie right now, you know, guys. It's a bit. Can't trust the market right now, you know. You really can't. The market is a bit choppy. Oh shit! Is it really? Man, thank you, bro. Appreciate that. All right. How does that sound? I didn't even know that was that. Hold on, let me see this. Hold on. Why is my mic so low? Alright, I'm just gonna test it. Testing the mic. Oh, I think I blocked it. Yeah, that's a good audio, I think here. So maybe a bit louder. Yeah, that's a good audio, I think here. So maybe a bit louder. Alright, testing it one more time. Testing it one more time. Yeah, man, we're in a really choppy market right now. Alright, we might break this high now. We're in a really choppy market right now. Alright, we might break this high now. give this a chance on gold. Yeah, this is long, man. It's gonna take half an hour, I think, when the market starts moving. It might be a while, guys. It's gonna take half an hour, I think, when the market starts moving. By the way, if anyone's got any questions about trading, whatever, I'm here to answer anything you guys need. You know, if you're in a group and you've been taking all the trades and making money, then congratulations. Yeah, guys, we've been doing really well recently. We've been doing really well, and the market is starting to consolidate right now. So you know, yeah, we're in a consolidation phase right now with the markets. So let's just see what's gonna happen. It could be a volatile day today. Ooh, euro pound, interesting. Yeah, it could be a volatile day today. We'll have to see. You know, we'll have to see. Let's see if we got a good entry on this gold. I like the trade. Yeah, I just need to make some money right now, guys. Trying to make some money today, man. We gonna make some money. Yeah, man. Making money every day, most of the time. And today we're in a rangy market, which is great, you know. So Asia didn't move, London didn't move. We got New York, you know. New York should move. But yeah, I'm just gonna get something to eat quickly, like a little snack, some water, guys. Just gotta wait. Yeah, just consolidating, guys. Give me a second, man. I'm gonna be back. I'm just gonna get some water. Yeah. Just waiting for this dollar, man. This dollar is just, yeah. Tempting. Yeah, this could be a good gold trade, actually, if it goes down. Good gold trade. All right, same with everything else. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah, I like this gold trade. If we can get it down, that'll be nice. But yeah, be right back. All right, I'm back, I'm back. How's the audio? Let's check. All right. Just turn this music off, man. Yeah, it's gonna be a while, guys. It's gonna be a while. Pound dollar, euro dollar, euro pound. Alright, 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes until things start to move. Until things start to move. So yeah, guys, welcome to all the new people that join in. As you guys know, we have been winning. We won like, I think we made like over 2,000 pips last week, thanks to gold. We caught some crazy gold trades. Like, I sent some like crazy signals last week, and I think I sent like 20 trades last week, and I think only like 2 were wrong. It's amazing. It's amazing. We're still in some of those trades though. That's the only thing. Yeah, we're still in this pound dollar short right here, and euro dollar short. This is up 50 pips, but euro pound dollar's up down like 20 pips. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna give it 15 minutes, guys, because you know, yeah, I think the market is about to move soon. But yeah, you know, it's not volatile right now, but yeah. The market is not volatile. Oh, that USD CAD is so bearish, man. Very bearish pair. Very bearish pair. I don't really trade it, but oh my days, horribly bearish. Question is, is it reversing now? I don't know. I don't think so, but same with this pound dollar. I don't know, man. It's suspicious, isn't it? If it starts breaking high and doing stupid shit, I might just manage the risk and close it. So this is another thing I do. Just because I have a stop loss, that doesn't mean I wait until my stop loss gets hit, then I close the trade, if that makes sense. I just sometimes manage it. Like, if it's not doing what I do, I just try to like cut the losses kind of early, so my losses are kind of small. You know, I don't want a big loss, you know. Like, I got this gold trade right now, I just took a short on it. You know, if I'm wrong on this gold short, I'll just take the loss, man. Like, you know, I got a stop loss all the way here, but am I really gonna take the stop loss all the way there? Not really. It depends, you know. That's like the worst thing that could happen. I'll take the loss over here. But if I see that it's not working out my way, I'll just close with a small loss, you know. I close my losses kind of early, and then if I have a winner, you know, I let the winner run, because you know it's a winner. So that's like some sort of like risk management you guys can apply, you know, to make money. Yeah, just risk management, man. Gold is doing a madness, man. I really would like this gold to see this gold drop, man. I would really like to see it drop. It would be very nice to see this thing drop. Yeah. Yeah, it'd be nice. We are getting lower prices every day. We are trending down on gold. So yeah, we just gotta wait till US Open. I think gold's gonna take an L, in my opinion. You know, we're in sells right now for this. So, you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens, guys. We'll see what happens. You know, we're just ranging right now in an algorithmic levels on pretty much everything. And I don't know, I have a good feeling today's going to be a good day, guys. I have a feeling that we're going to make a lot of money today. As usual, you know. So I appreciate everyone that's tuned in. I really appreciate everyone that's tuned in. But yeah, I have a good feeling that we're going to make a lot of money today. A lot of money. Gonna make a lot of money, man. And I might be doing a giveaway too. Actually, yes, that's what I gotta do. I'm gonna do a giveaway. Yeah, I think I'll be doing a giveaway actually. Yeah. If the dollar goes up, gold goes down and all that, yeah. We're doing a giveaway. Giveaway today. Yeah. Giveaway today. But we gotta make money, man. Like, I'm gonna be giving away if I make money. So if I make money, you guys get something out of that. Because I want everyone to win. You know, if I'm winning, you guys gotta win with me, and you guys gotta win with me. Whether it's taking the signals with me or just, being on the stream. You know, I appreciate everyone that watches the stream. You know, this is a small channel right now. It will grow. It's got to be more consistent. And yeah, man. But yeah, guys, remember, risk management is important. Look, gold's back to the entries, coming back. Let's see how this goes, man. I'm actually like, I'm enjoying this on gold. So yeah, I'm actually excited for this on gold. Excited to see like a nice big drop on gold. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see, man. Excited to see a nice big drop. We might be selling this a bit too early though. That's the only thing. It's the only thing. Oh man, I didn't even sleep that good last night. Sleep was not the best. Sleep was not the best last night. Man, trading is just, I swear, man. Even like last week we had a good week, but I'm telling you, man, like it's been stressful, guys. Like trading the markets with Trump in office. Trump in office is just making things like stressful, 10 times more stressful. Like, you know, I'm seeing things I've never seen before happening all the time now. So, yeah. Oh, man. Quite interesting. Platinum's at a level right now. See, this is the thing with platinum. Interesting. Metals are just pumping, man. Like I don't know what to say. What's silver doing? Silver consolidating. Ooh, interesting on silver. Silver had a breakout. Just looking at it on another chart. Interesting, because if I see a silver breakout, it's kind of indicates it's bullish. Now, if I think silver's bullish, it also has an indication that gold might be bullish. Yeah, so it's but that doesn't mean it could be a fake breakout, you know. Doesn't mean that's always right. It's kind of holding down. Let's go wait and see. Give me a second. I'm just gonna. Yeah, we just gotta give the market some time. That's what I can say. That's the only advice I can say right now is we gotta give the market some time, because it's just rangy. It's just rangy, and yeah, pound dollar and euro dollar coming up. It's just rangy. Within the next hour, we'll know what the direction is. It'll probably take an hour. I hope so, if we're not gonna have a rangy day. So within the next hour, I think we're gonna know if we're going up or down. Yeah, we're probably gonna know within the next hour, guys. Keeping it real. Keeping it real. Yeah, this is the thing, man. We've just it's like what's this gold? We're just grinding higher, man. That's the thing. Look at this. It's just grinding higher. And yeah, we're just grinding higher. Honestly speaking, we might not be done yet. We might not be done yet. But yeah, we'll give it a second. Anyways, give me a second, guys, and I will be back. Alright, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So, we're back at certain levels with certain things. I'm just gonna be patient, man. Gold just took out this liquidity here, it's high. Let's just see, man. Let's just see. There's nothing I can really say, guys, to be honest. You know, I'm still waiting for this euro dollar to go down. You know, it might start pushing down now. This is looking good. You know, it's at the weekly open right now, daily open. Yeah, this is the thing, man. We're just ranging. But it looks like the euro is starting to push up, I have to be honest. You know, I'm not gonna like be like, oh yeah, it's not. But things could change any second right now, you know. This is the time where I've seen things flip. Yeah, it's just a rangy day. I hate days like this, guys. I swear, like these are the worst kind of days when it's just ranging. Yeah, I hear that. It's just, bro, it's just rangy. That's the problem. Like, I mean, I hope it goes. But our risk reward is really good on this gold. But yeah, man, we need to move soon. Cause we are, bro. I just hate rangy days. Like, you don't understand. Like, I hate rangy days. Like, rangy days are honestly the worst kind of days because the market just stops out everyone, man, and it just ranges and it does nothing, and man, it's disgusting. I like where we're at though on gold, but you know, yeah, pound dollar isn't looking that bad. See, this doesn't look that bad, like in my opinion, on pound dollar, you know. It doesn't look that bad on pound dollar. For a short, I can see this. I think we're still like valid on that. You know. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. I know this gold can do it. I just know it can do it. It's holding though, that's the problem. Swiss yen dumping. Euro dollar. This is the thing, man. If we start breaking above this level and doing this, I don't know, man. I don't want to close it, but I might have to close it just to manage the risk, you know, on pound dollar. We'll see. We're gonna give it some time. We're gonna give it some time. Confident. You have to stay confident, you know. Interesting. The new 4-hour candle's coming up in 20 minutes, so euro dollar. If it closes like this, it could be a good short as well. You see this kind of close? If it closes like this, it's a short. It's definitely a short. If it closes like this. I actually might add to this euro dollar if it closes like this. Just because I know for a day trade, it's not a bad trade. So yeah, I'm just going to wait 7 minutes. But if euro dollar closes like this, it's a short, guys. It's a short. It's a short. ODM pound dollar, but if this euro dollar closes like this, it's a short. You gotta add to that short or whatever. But we'll go wait for the close to see how this closes. See what price we get. I've seen this kind of pattern before. I'm just trying to spot the patterns right now. I can't lie, this gold is just, it's weird. Gold is weird right now. Yeah, gold is weird. Alright, we're looking good on some things. Gold is the only one is not really the best, but pound, I like this rejection. Euro, I love this rejection, but we just need to close a bit lower. Yeah, this is looking good, man. I don't know what the hell is up with gold though. This thing doesn't want to go down. Dollar's strong, man. This gold don't want to go down, I guess. Okay, gold. Gold's coming down now. You see, you gotta wait for these candles to close, guys. Gotta wait for the candles to close, guys. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. ASAP Tobes, and I see you adding those positions in, man. It might be the right decision. You know? It's looking good, it's looking good. Things are looking good. See, we need to wait for how these candles are gonna close, but it's looking good. It's looking good, man. Gotta make some money today. Gotta make some money today, guys. Gotta make some money. looking good on gold. I added a bit more positions on this as well. Just one more. But yeah, it's should be nice if it goes well. Try to make some money. See, this is looking more and more bearish from euro dollar. Oh, yeah, that's bearish, man. I can't lie to you guys, that is very bearish on euro dollar. Thing is, if it's a rangy day, then it's not good, man. But if it's not a rangy day, that's good, man. It's really good for euro dollar. You know. Who the hell's calling me? Ugh. My girlfriend. Yeah, that looks good, man. I like what's going on euro dollar. So I'm gonna just, you know, add to that. We're already in it, and as a group, you know, we're already in this trade, euro dollar. I'm just gonna take it because I see another entry on euro dollar, so I'm gonna like add to this trade. 1 hour. Yeah, I think this euro dollar could be a big trade to the downside. I think it will be a big trade to the downside. I think we got 250 pips on this euro dollar. You know, just put on some size on this. Don't do what I do, guys, by the way. I'm just telling you like what I'm doing. I'm showing you guys what I'm doing. If you guys want to learn, you can just ask and stuff, you know, ask questions or whatever. But 250 pips, that could be a big trade. Okay, that could be a big trade on euro dollar, guys. Just hope pound dollar follows as well. Yeah, like I'm taking this trade on euro dollar shorts. The group is already in it, but yeah, if you guys that are watching right now want to copy, you can copy. Now I could be wrong, I might be wrong on everything, guys. Like, you could lose money. This is not financial advice. I'm just letting you guys know, like, it's just what I'm doing, you know. Yeah, if you guys want to do the same, then you can. Just don't want people to like blame me for losing their money. Yeah, you see, this is this is so choppy on gold, man. We needed to get back to our entry. If it doesn't go back to our entry soon, then it's most likely bearish, and we just cut off the loss, you know. And it's okay to do that, you know, because this euro dollar, if this euro dollar runs to the downside, you know, I got my marks over here, my alerts here. It should be nice, man. It should be nice. We'll make up for it. But it's the thing, man. Gold is really weird right now. Ever since all this fundamental crap has been going on, it's been weird. I've just seen some of these things. So what I'm seeing right now with euro dollar, with this pound dollar, this is a pattern that I've seen before. It's a bearish pattern. When I see it consolidating like this at a high, at a certain level as well that I've got marked out, this is a bearish pattern. You know, I've seen this many times before. It's a bearish pattern. So I'm just gonna let you guys know how it is and what it is. This is to me a bearish pattern. So that's why I'm showing it. Now, if I'm right about this, I'm probably right about this as well. This euro dollar. I don't know why it says my entries here, but yeah. So yeah, I took another one. So here, but yeah, I'm probably right about this as well because this is consolidating at an algorithmic level. And now, if I'm right about the dollar, then gold has a good chance of following the dollar. You know, doesn't always do it, but there's a good chance. Now, yeah, that's what I can say. That's all I can say, to be honest. This is the thing, man. So gold is just, yeah, it's just a 4 hour now. Everyone's gonna be buying it. Where's the stops? Down here, you know, down here. And yeah, man. I mean, a nice gold drop would be nice today to see, you know. And yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good on gold dropping. I have a good feeling, you know, that gold will drop. I have a good feeling. And yeah. You know, what else stuff out here? Yeah, we can make some money today. Let's just see what happens. This is looking good on gold. Looking good on gold. I'm liking what I'm seeing right now. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Now, we need that to be the high of the session on gold, okay? Okay, guys, if we break this high, then I'm probably wrong. And we can manage the risk like that. We can take a smaller loss, okay? So, yeah. Euro dollar breaking down, you know. I think we're gonna make a lot of money today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. If today goes well, we will be making a lot of money today. And there will be a possible giveaway. Okay, euro dollar breaking down. Yeah, man. It's been so tough streaming. I've been trading recently, guys. I'm telling you. Even though we get it right, man. Even though it's good, bro. But it's just stress. I'm thinking of taking a holiday, guys. Anyone recommend any holiday destinations? Let me know. I'm thinking of going to Cyprus, maybe. But yeah, you guys let me know where I should go. Cause it's been stressful, man. Yeah, it's been stressful, man. Come on, euro dollar. I see euro dollar breaking down nicely. Hopefully pound dollar breaks down too. Hopefully gold breaks down too. But yeah. Yeah, guys. Low key a bit hungry. I might order some food. this setup is really cool, guys. I really like this euro dollar setup for the short. We shorted it here. This is probably a session high. A session high, guys, on this euro dollar. And we're probably gonna keep going down now. I mean, I hope so. And if we keep going down on that, then this should keep going down too. And if we keep going down on that, then we might go down on gold too. So yeah. Why does it say my entries here? It's kind of wrong. We entered around here. But yeah, guys. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. Let's get this money, guys. Let's get this money. Who's with me? Who's with me in getting this money? 'Cause I'm getting this money. Gold's in profit now. Gold is in profit right now. I repeat, gold is in profit. Yeah, man, we're killing it. Come on, gold. Anybody know how to get rid of hiccups? Because I just got some hiccups and they're really annoying, man. But yeah. Gold in profit. Gold in profit. Today is just hella choppy, man. The only thing that's moved is the pound, and it's moved up, and it's annoying, man. It's a little bit annoying that the pound is moving up because I'm in the shorts, but something tells me the pound's gonna retest this high right here, and I might have to get out of it soon. Yeah, I might have to, but I don't know. I really don't know. You know, I can't really say anything yet. There's a lot of manipulation happening. We have to wait in the next hour, and we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out in the next hour. Oh shit. Fuck. Yeah, the pound is gonna be strong. Stronger than a euro at least. But the euro is gonna be bearish coming up. Interesting. This thing. That might not be a good thing for our pound dollar. I just don't want this to do a thing where it breaks this high over here and then it comes down. Because that's possible. That's very possible. It's possible, man, but let's just hope that doesn't happen. Did you leave the gold trade? No, I'm still in the gold trade. Snow and Raw. I am still in the gold trade. I'm still in it. I'm still in this gold trade. So yeah, I'm still in it. I'm waiting. You know, we don't want to see a break of this high. I'll keep it real with you guys. So the stop loss is meant to be here, but we might close out early just because, or I might close out early. You guys can do whatever you guys want, but just if I don't see, I'm gonna give it an hour though, because I might be wrong. Who knows? But I think I don't know actually. But I'm in a couple trades right now. Some things are in profit, some things are not. You know, like this pound is not one thing that's not really in profit. Gold is just sitting at break even, to be honest. It's not really doing much. I don't really like what I'm seeing here on this rejection. It's looking, I don't know, it's just rangy, bro. It's just a rangy day, and the thing is, this is the problem with a rangy day. And rangy days are the easiest ways to lose money because there's no direction, you know. The strategy that I use is a directional trade. You know, we want direction. You know, if you use a stop loss, something, you know, it's really easy to lose money. With but it just depends, you know. We got US market in 20 minutes. We got 20 minutes, man. 20 minutes until the US market opens, and yeah, 20 minutes, guys. So we'll see what happens in 20 minutes, you know. I just want this dollar to go up, but it's just choppy, man. Like, this is just messy, man. Like, what is this? There's a gap right here. I'm just anticipating that we're gonna go back to that, fill that. It's just choppy, guys. I'll keep it real. A day like this, I wouldn't even look at the charts, but it might move the next hour. If nothing happens the next hour, I'm just gonna close the stream and then take a break. Yeah. And to relax, man. Might go to the gym or something, I don't know. Interesting on pound Canadian. pound CAD looks like a short. Yeah, that looks like a short too. Pound CAD. Interesting. Yeah, that pound CAD looks like a short, and euro CAD. Very interesting. Yeah, that looks like a short, man. Interesting. Interesting things happening in the market. To see where, I mean, yeah. We want to see what this euro dollar does. And gold, but might be trading the wrong thing, guys, because there's nothing moving. But yeah, give me a second, I'll be back. Oh, thank you, thank you. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. All right, guys. Market is about to open in yeah, about 1 minute. So get ready, man. I don't know what's gonna happen, but 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, man. This euro dollar is just ranging, guys. Like I was in good profit right here, and I was back to like almost my break even. I don't know what the hell's going on with that one. 'Cause everything is just in a range. Like I really don't know what to say to you guys. Like if we don't get a move in the next like half an hour, yeah, hour maximum. Like it's likely to be a rangy day, and it's likely to be an L if it's a rangy day. It's just stupid, man. There's no volume in the market right now. Alright, let's see if things are gonna move. Gold moving down. Let's just see. Let's go on Bloomberg. I think they have to say.
1% and less than that on NASDAQ futures. This week, we're going to get a ton of earnings. In fact, $20 trillion of market cap is going to report this week. So I think earnings, it's fair to say, will overshadow the economic data, at least until Friday when we get jobs. This is weird, right? This is not the New York Stock Exchange. In fact, it's somewhere in San Francisco. There's a cybersecurity conference, and they've decided to ring the bell for the NYSE there. I don't know that I would have made that choice. This is more interesting. On the NASDAQ, Erie Insurance is ringing the bell. They've been in business for 100 years. They've been listed on the NASDAQ for 30 years. And I went back and looked at the performance over the last 3 decades. They're up 5,600%. So more than twice the NASDAQ and more than 3 times, Katie Greifeld, the S&P 500.
Pretty exciting for an insurance company. You mentioned earnings, and you're right. We just have a wallop of earnings this week. 4 Magnificent 7 stocks report this week. As you said, that is the busiest earnings week for the S&P 500 this quarter. You can see some of them in the pre-market, or rather just the open market right now. Not too much information to glean from what they're doing today, but it'll be fascinating to follow these stocks over the course of the next few days. Sonali.
I'm looking at Boeing over here, Katie. It's up 3% at the market open. They're climbing as Spirit Aerosystems makes a deal with Airbus that will lead to Boeing's acquisition of Spirit pending regulatory approval.
Yeah, that's a little bit difficult to wrap your head around, but we're going to get to Benny Camel in Berlin to explain all of that for you. NVIDIA is falling, see, less than 1%, but it's a very heavy stock. This after China's Huawei is getting ready to test a new AI processor it hopes can replace some products made by NVIDIA, which is already facing issues in China, export blocks as well as import problems. We are back with Gargi Chaudhuri, BlackRock's Chief Investment and Portfolio Strategist for the Americas. And Gargi, I'm looking at this week of earnings and waiting for the outlooks, if they don't cancel their outlooks. You know, I'm looking to see how many companies are going to be cutting costs, because that's the one thing they can control, right? It's like a corporate serenity prayer. So what do you expect in terms of companies facing uncertainty?
Yeah, so we've looked at all of the companies that have reported so far, and obviously the negative sentiment has picked up meaningfully, and we're looking at words like uncertainty and volatility and lack of words like optimism. You have seen that. What we haven't seen yet is any direct talk about cutting in the way of labor market resizing. So we haven't seen that yet, and maybe we haven't seen
big layoffs.
Right, we haven't seen that yet, and maybe that's yet to come. One of the things that we are looking for is just around how many companies are just not providing a guidance anymore. And I think that's bad news, and I think to the extent that we get more and more of that, it's going to be really hard to justify what your PE is or might be, because you don't know what that earnings is. So that's what we're looking at, I think, and a continued uncertainty, questions about layoffs and right sizing, and then continued focus on whether companies are able to move their guidance lower or not.
I want to talk specifically about sort of the estimates, because guidance, who knows, and I have a lot of sympathy for the C-suites trying to put together their forecasts for 2025, but this is a stat that we were chatting about with Caroline Hyde. You think about the Magnificent Seven, still forecast to deliver an average of 15% profit growth for the year ahead. That's very similar to
to the start of March, and the world has changed pretty dramatically since the start of March. And when it comes to the earnings picture overall, that's something that we've heard, that you need to see these estimates come down, that heading into the heart of earnings season, the bar is still really, really high.
It is really high. And if you look at our investment directions in our first, in our equity outlook section, what we talk about is what you would have to believe for you to expect equity markets to continue to rally from here. What kind of expectations of earnings growth would you have to believe that we're going to get? And what kind of multiple expansion? Now, at this juncture, we're no longer at the richest end when you look at what our PEs are, but we're around normal to slightly rich. And earnings expectations right now still at double digits, low double digits, but still at double digits. Maybe that comes through, but hard to see, especially if we see real GDP slow down meaningfully. So that is why we think at this juncture, reducing the volatility of your portfolio, moving to certain defensive sectors, and then using parts of the fixed income market as a portfolio diversifier, as well as liquid alternatives and gold as areas of opportunity in the market.
As much as I want to bite into that fixed income point, I do feel like I have to stick on earnings, because even beyond big tech, it's actually 180 companies reporting this week alone.
Wow.
So I want to pull up what the S&P 500 has been doing by sectors, because you're seeing a lot of pain in most of them, particularly consumer-heavy ones. You look into consumer discretionary, actually Tesla's not even your worst performer there. And so
it's amazing how defensive this is. I mean,
very.
Only the things you need are gaining, right?
Yeah.
Staples, utilities, and healthcare.
Yeah, for the year. And Bloomberg Intelligence is saying that consumer sectors are starting to show cracks. Sales misses have surged. Guidance is the worst in Bloomberg Intelligence's records going back to the pandemic. So how bad really can this week get when you look at the consumer sector really dragging down the rest of the index?
I don't know about how bad. I mean, obviously we don't know that yet. I think what we've seen over and over again is that there is a lot of cash on the sidelines, and investors are looking for opportunities to buy dips. Those dips have to be pretty significant, though. I don't think it's a 3 to 4% dip, but I do think if we get back to a point like we saw in the beginning of April, where we did see some major pullbacks, a major re-rating, I think there are opportunities, there are pockets of opportunities, and I think software is one. I think, again, some of these very high quality, strong balance sheet AI companies are other, and again, pockets of healthcare, which is another area of the market that we like, that can provide that opportunity when there is that pullback. But if you're looking at your portfolio today and you're wondering what you should be doing, and you're concerned about earnings continuing to falter, or you're concerned about growth numbers, obviously we're getting Q1 GDP this week, you're worried about that, maybe having even a negative print in front of it, what should you do? And this is where we think about maybe reduce the volatility of your portfolio, don't move to cash, reduce your volatility, move to more defensive sectors, add some diversifiers, and stay invested.
We have had, though, some pretty dark forecasts. I mean, Torsten Slok sticks in my head with a barrage of data over the last couple of weeks on his voluntary trade reset recession, right? He says 90% chance. And over the weekend, Ryan Peterson of Flexport says that ocean container bookings from China are down 65%. If you look at a map, Bloomberg has a fantastic terminal function, Maps Vessels Go. You can see that all of the dry goods container ships are holding on the Chinese coast and not coming here. It seems pretty dire to me, right? Empty shelves.
Look, I do think that we haven't yet begun to see the impact of some of the ideas that you're talking about in the market. We really haven't. We've seen the soft data be pretty weak, but the hard data, even if you looked at the durable goods number last week, has been pretty resilient. As we get into the meat of Q2, and as we begin to see some of the impacts of consumers feeling the stresses of higher inflation and higher prices, as we begin to see that in the actual hard data and in people's experiences in shopping and buying things, I think that's going to have an effect on equity markets. I do not think that has happened yet, and which is why I think investors should get ready, start preparing a more defensive portfolio, and look at areas of opportunities within fixed income and gold and other liquid alternatives to build that more resilient portfolio at a time when we do think growth will slow down from the very robust levels we saw last year.
I think that soft data, hard data dynamic is really interesting. I think it'll be really put to the test this week, and it is one that the Treasury Secretary in particular has been warning against. Don't worry about the soft data when the hard hard data is holding up, right?
Don't look behind the curtain.
Right, the politicized curtain.
I mean, to be fair, you've heard similar things from the Fed, maybe not in those terms, but they're looking at the data that they have, and to them, that largely means what we're going to see with PCE.
They'll wait for a recession to cut rates, right?
Exactly.
That's how it goes.
But when you talk about higher prices, something that I thought was telling was we had Domino's earnings this morning. One of the things they said was that the higher prices, they actually raised their prices, that was more than offset by negative traffic and that sort of mix there. So I hear what you're saying, prepare a defensive portfolio, but it seems like even the trade down sort of trades aren't necessarily working with higher prices.
Yeah, I do think that we haven't fully realized the impact of higher prices in the markets yet. One of the things that we look at is, what are inflation break-evens doing? And one of the things that the Fed has been very comforted by is the stability of long-term break-evens. And, we're all comforted by that. But is this a time for investors to be concerned around those higher prices and add some inflation protection? We think so in the very front end of the curve. Buy some real rates because those are still attractive and they've moved significantly higher. I think that right now this has all been something we've read off in a paper. It hasn't quite materialized in our actual realizations of our experience yet in the markets or in our personal lives. I think it's about to come. And when that happens, I think you want to be invested, but you want to be very careful about where you're invested.
So what I'm hearing is sometimes the best offense is a great defense. Skargi, we thank you so much for joining us this Monday morning ahead of a very busy week. That is BlackRock, Skargi Chaudhary. Now let's get a look at some more stocks on the move with Bloomberg's Isabel Lee. Isabel.
Hey, Shanala, we're looking at Domino's. So we have the company's revenue that slightly missed estimates, but we have the profit that was higher year over year. Ahead, we have Domino's seeing a 2025 operating profit growth of about 8%. And get this, Domino's said it doesn't see tariffs having a material impact on its operational profit. But the company did also say that macro and geopolitical volatility will be affecting international demand. Up next, we have Merck. So this U.S. biotech firm is edging kind of flat. The company agreed to buy SpringWorks Therapeutics to boost its healthcare division for $47 per share in cash. So this represents a total value of around $3.9 billion and a 26% premium for SpringWorks. So SpringWorks is a maker of medicines for cancer and rare diseases. And this purchase is expected to boost Merck's overall healthcare division because SpringWorks has a drug portfolio that's already approved by U.S. regulators. And lastly, we're looking at Airbus. So this is an interesting acquisition. We have shares edging higher by around 5% for Airbus and for Boeing also as well, around 3%. So if Europe's Airbus agreeing to take over some assets and sites from Spirit Aerosystems, and this clears the way for Spirit to really be acquired back by Boeing, its former parent. So the deal includes Airbus taking over facilities in North Carolina, France, Ireland, and Scotland. So the Airbus deal is really a part of this complex three-way transaction that reunites Boeing with Spirit. And we have Bernstein upgrading Boeing, saying it is now making, quote, progress that it needed for the growth trajectory. Back to you.
All right, Isabel Lee, thank you for that roundup. Isabel mentioned the Merck SpringWorks deal. I'm pleased to say we'll be speaking with Germany's Merck CEO next hour. But coming up, cargo shipments from China to the U.S. are plummeting, and a U.S. supply shock could be on its way soon. Matt Miller has an awesome chart to show you. We'll bring it to you next. This is Open Interest.
This is Bloomberg's new show, Primer. Technology is a trillion-dollar game. Won, lost, won again, just by backing the right science at precisely the right moment.
My life has been focused on how can you elicit intelligence from brain cells in a dish.
This is the fundamental building block of our fusion technology.
We're doing things that have never been done by anybody, ever.
Everyone is selling the future. If you want to understand what's coming, you'll want to watch Primer, because detail do lasers.
There we go.
Oh, and it's on all these lovely channels. Hope you're jotting this down.
Tune in to Bloomberg Business Week Daily.
We got to talk crypto.
From the magazine that helps global leaders stay ahead.
What's the conversation around your company?
Bringing you insight on the people, companies, and trends shaping today's complex economy.
Planning very big things.
A new level of premium.
Plus global business, finance, and tech news as it happens.
The floodgates of innovation are going to open up.
You can't fake passion. You either are or you aren't.
Bloomberg Business Week Daily, only on Bloomberg.
Bringing you up to the minute economic news whenever and wherever it happens. I'm Jennifer Zabasanja in Luanda, Angola, and this is Bloomberg.
Bloomberg brings you breaking news 24 hours a day. Powered by more than 3,000 journalists and analysts in more than 100 bureaus across the globe. Bloomberg Television. Context changes everything.
Listen carefully. Can you hear the rhythm in the markets? Not just in the syncopations triggered by inflation, but in the preludes leading to global elections, in the dissonance that moves the Nikkei, and the rising course conducted by AI. There's music in the markets, and if you want to learn to listen for it, we'll show you how.
All right, it's time now for Top Call. Some of the analyst action in focus this morning. And first up, Eli Lilly getting double downgraded to a sell over at HSBC. The analyst says that there's too much optimism in the share price and that the risk reward.
Yo guys, I'm back. We're getting a nice dump on gold. Yeah, this is looking good on gold. If it's not a choppy day, then we're good. This looks good on gold.
And finally, we have
what's going on with EUR USD?
The analyst says that the stock is overly discounted, and we'll be talking to the company's CEO next hour, Matt Miller.
All right, I'm looking forward to that. But right now, I get to show you the awesome Bloomberg function, Map Go. And if you type Map Vessels Go, you can see a whole bunch of ships around the globe. You can
all right, man. Let's see what happens on gold.
Carrying dry goods, and you'll notice that they are all stationed right off the coast of China. They're no longer setting sail for the U.S., which is what we heard from Flexport over the weekend. 65% of shipments are down. 25% of the sailings over the past 2 weeks have been canceled, and this, Shanali, is a real problem for the U.S. economy, or will turn into one in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, you really can see the satellite imaging showing you the clusters in China relative to the U.S. Amazing.
It's a mess right now today, guys. I can't lie. Oh, I didn't close anything. I actually added I added to my gold short. So I don't recommend you do this. I don't recommend you do this. But gold looks good, and my other trades are like kind of like not doing as good. So I didn't put that much size on gold, so I added to it. But don't, it might be wrong, you know. I'm gonna also close it if it goes up. You know, it's just a couple tricks that I do to manage my account. Yeah, a couple tricks. So I added a little bit to gold. Don't, like, you know, if you already added before me, actually, Doom, you already added, so I get to add that much when it went up. I didn't get to add, so just added to it because I think if I'm right, this is the session high, and if this is the session high, sorry, yeah, I'm wrong screen. Sorry, if I'm right, this is the session high over here, and you know, I'll probably get out if it breaks that high. Maybe I'll tell you guys what I do anyway. And dude, the risk reward is crazy, man, because I think we can go back into this range over here, you know. So there's a lot more profit to be made than losses. So that's why I kind of took it. But I could be wrong, bro, because it's a rangy. If it's a rangy day, which I hope it's not. Like, it's not confirmed yet. So far it's rangy. But this thing, I could be wrong, man. This could just range and I'll show you what it could do. This could just range and do this and do this and do this. And if it does that, bro, I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I don't want to really. I'll just take the loss, man, and I'll just call it a day. And yeah, better it's coming down. That's good. I just need this pound dollar to go down, man. I've got like a decent amount of lot size on this one as well. This pound dollar. It'd be nice to see this one go down, honestly. But yeah, gold's going down, so yeah, that's why I did. I added to gold. But yeah, let's just wait for this gold to go. I added more, and yeah, I think it's good. We just need to break out of this range, man. If we break out, then it's safe. You get me? But right now, it's just not safe. Same with this pound. This pound dollar is just fucked up, bro. This pound dollar looks like it's gonna break this high over here, and yeah, it's not good. If pound dollar breaks the high, it's not good. I could manage it and close it right now, but I don't know, man. To be honest, I can see this breaking that high. I was waiting for it to break that high before, and it didn't do it. And to be honest, if it doesn't now, it makes sense. It makes more sense to break that high now. That's the crazy part. And we got a section here, and above. This is where a lower high could be made. Yeah, somewhere here, man. Like there's a level I can see it go into, which is like right here. Yeah. I just hope it doesn't do that, but it can, because there's a chance I'm wrong, you know, with this pound dollar. It just depends on this euro dollar, bro. This has just been a messy range. Like, I don't know, man. We was in good profit earlier, and now all the profit is gone because that's life, you know. Yeah, I don't know what to flip and do. Gold looks good though. We kind of need everything to go down, to be honest. Yeah, it's just rangy, man. I just, but yeah, it's just rangy. I can't lie. It's just, yeah, it's just rangy. I think gold should break the low today. You know, I think we should break the low on gold. But I think this week we will. But yeah, all right. This is good. This is a good dump on pound dollar. This is what I need. I need this to just keep going down, man. On this pound dollar, bro. I need it to just go down. Keep going down. The one thing that's moving is moving against me. Everything else is just, yeah. Because the dollar is strong. Like, the dollar is gaining strength right now. It's holding. It probably wants to fill that gap, actually. Yeah, it makes sense. Nah, I can see that filling that gap, actually. Yeah. I think I just have to hold. I think I just have to hold, man. Yeah. See, this is really suspicious on the pound dollar. Like, it looks hella sus, man. Just hella sus. This, I'm just scared it's one of these things. Or basically it does this, and then there's 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 this, and it just trends up. It just trends up slowly, slowly, if that makes sense. And it's like this is called a short squeeze. Like, it's a killer, man. It's a killer. Short squeezes are a killer, man. I think if I can identify it right now, I could just get out. But I think it's officially a rangy day, guys. It's officially a rangy day. That's the worst thing about this market, is it will just randomly run. Sometimes, you know, like it will literally just randomly run. You'll just see a crazy like push at a random time, and you'll be just laughing. See, if we go below this level on pound dollar, below the, sorry, there's a line here I have here. If it goes below this line and it closes here, somewhere here, that's the high of the day, I think. So yeah, if we do that, then we might go down on gold, and then we might go down on euro dollar, and then we might make money today. So but only if all of this stuff happens. This kind of mess I haven't seen in a long time. Actually, it happened on Friday as well, I think. Yeah, Friday was messy, but that means the rest of this week should be good, guys. If it's messy, if it was messy like that. Alright, it's the thing, man. Look at this. So not trustworthy, man. It's not trustworthy, man. That's pound dollar. Yeah, we're about to get stopped out, I can tell. Listen, guys. If you're on the Telegram, join the Telegram. Message me or whatever. I might get off soon in a second. I just need to relax, man, and focus without streaming. So yeah, I'm gonna focus. If you guys have any questions or are in the trades, just DM me on Telegram. You know, you can find my name on Telegram. It's Omar Unfiltered. So just message me. I'm happy to answer your questions. We're all in this together, guys. We're all in these trades together. It's just a choppy day today. I can't lie. It's just not in my control. I can't lie. It's not in my control right now. Gold's in profit though. That's what I can say. Gold is in profit. But again, it's not in my control right now. The markets are choppy, and what do you do when the markets are choppy, guys? Like, what do you do? You know, there's nothing I can do right now. Look at this, it's just choppy, man. But you know, when it gets choppy, there'll be a big move that happens. It's been like that recently. It gets choppy for a little bit, and then big moves start to happen. Oil sell off. Yeah, oil is just bearish though, fundamentally. But yeah, okay, gold's starting to like, I don't know, man. Gold's messy, man. Yeah, today could be the high of the week, actually. that happening too. Oh, I think this is the wrong day to short everything. It's just choppy, guys. We're gonna get chopped up. Yeah, we're just gonna get chopped up, man. We're just gonna bleed money like this. Oh, okay, okay. Thanks for letting me know. I don't know why my mic is that low. That's weird. Hello? What the fuck? Hello? Is the mic really that low? Is it really that low? Fuck. I'ma fix it. I'ma fix it tomorrow. Yeah, I was saying it's a very rangy day today. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Like, it's just, yeah, okay. Yeah, it's a very rangy day today, and yeah, just a very rangy day today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, just a very rangy day. Things don't look like they wanna move. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon here. It's late in the like, you know, it's getting late in the day right now, and it's just not good, man. It's just this kind of movement is choppy. It's just horrible. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, I can't trade this kind of price action. We're in some trades right now. Whatever happens, happens. It's just a bad day, man. This is the one thing. Okay, so I'm in this pound dollar short. I think this high might get taken out, and then it's a drop. That's the problem. Now, so just reanalyzing what's going on. It's a Monday as well. We might make a high of the week. It's the end of the month as well, so yeah, I might have to get out of this one, which means I might have to get out of this one too. Just take some L's. And gold, I don't know. Gold, it's just rangy right now. I think it's gonna drop, but it's just. Thing is, as long as it's ranging, we can hold it. But if it starts like breaking up, I think we should close. But yeah, I think we can hold most of these trades. The only one is I'm concerned about is this pound, because pound is trending. It looks like it's going back to here, this level here. Yeah, pound is trending a little bit. Yeah, I might get out of this pound actually. I'm just gonna give things a chance. I'm not confident though on the day. It's getting to that point in it's late in the day, and it's just like, yeah, I'm gonna have to like cut some losses out. I can tell it's a bad rangy day, guys. I'm sorry to say it, but it's one of those days where you just don't trade. Yeah, this is one of those days you just don't trade. Yeah, I'm just managing my risk right now. Alright guys, well just message me if you guys need anything. It's a rangy day. I can't lie, it's just a rangy day. I can't, yeah, the market ain't moving and I'm getting bored watching it. So if it moves, I'll be watching on my phone anyway, but yeah. Alright guys. Tomorrow I'll be streaming it again.